All K-12 teachers and staff in Washington state, including public, private and charter school employees, could be fired if they aren't fully vaccinated against COVID-19 by October 18. Governor Jay Inslee issued the order Wednesday, which also applies to higher education institutions and most child care facilities in the state. Washington now has stricter and more decisive requirements than many other places in the U.S. Mask mandates have proven divisive in Florida, Arizona and Texas, where school boards, parents and state governments are clashing over who gets to decide requirements. This is a serious issue. This is not some suggestion or whimsical idea we're floating. It is a job requirement, Inslee said. Washington's mandate is wide-ranging. It applies to anyone working in a school environment, including bus drivers, coaches and volunteers. If employees don't comply, they could be subject to dismissal. Exemptions for religious or medical reasons will be allowed, but personal or philosophical exemptions aren't acceptable, according to Inslee. Inslee announced the order likely impacts about 118,000 workers in early learning and child care programs, and about 90,000 employees in higher education institutions. The vaccine requirement doesn't apply to any students or to tribal schools, but Inslee also issued a new indoor mask requirement for all residents ages 5 and up, set to go into effect Monday. Inslee also highlighted the mandate requires full vaccination by October 18, meaning school employees must get the second dose of the Moderna and Pfizer vaccines, or the only dose of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, by October 4 to be in compliance. The CDC considers people fully vaccinated 2 weeks after they've received their final required dose of the COVID-19 vaccines. In Washington, the spread of the Delta variant is driving up infection rates. As of August 9, Washington averaged 2,665 cases per day, and Inslee reports over 95% of COVID-related hospitalizations in the state are among unvaccinated people. This story first appeared in the Morning Edition liveblog.